Nomadic sin ray, seeing eye to the fucking end.
What's up, YouTube? You want a concrete pad? Concrete form is made out of the old decking, 6 inches deep, 5 feet by 3 feet. So I'm about to use a form release agent. I'm going to try PV Blaster. They said WD-40 works, and this is the same. This is a competitor of WD-40, so I'm going to see if this works. About to mix some concrete. Did it by hand. Last bag I did. This is my 12th bag. It says you're supposed to, each 80-pound bag, you're supposed to put 3.5 quarts of water, and that's what I've been doing. And a little bit more. Using about a gallon. Really, about a gallon of water I'm using to get to the right consistency. First couple bags was tough, but it's not that bad. Right. Buying a cement mixer, and I'm gonna have to do it because I still got other stuff to do. And mixing 12 bags took me approximately 2 hours. It takes a little long, a lot of effort, physical effort, but it's not that bad. But still, when I get a machine to do it, save me some physical work. This is how I would like it to look. Looks like. Some kind of force to it. You know, I might quit my daytime job. Who knows? I started at 11 o'clock, digging a hole, building a form, 6 inches deep. It looks like it's 512 right now. So 11 o'clock to 512. So it took me about 6 hours, huh? Yeah, about 6 hours to do this. Took a lunch. Had to, gotta eat my lunch. So that was about half an hour break. The next day after I poured the concrete and got it all set, I put it down. I put the tarp down. I didn't film that part, but I put the tarp down and I let it stay there for about, till today. So it's 6 days later. All right. This is the concrete pad. It has been down for 6 days. The PV Blaster worked as a form release agent. It worked, so thumbs up, PV Blaster. And this is the finished product. So I would say I think I have the skill set to do my sidewalk, to patch my sidewalks now. And that's about it.